Morning, Joyriders. So we're gonna start off this day and hopefully I'll get a call from VMP. We'll head over there, go do some fun, exciting things. But before we start off this vlog, I do wanna let you guys know that September 16th, APEX will be hosting an event and I will be attending it. It is the Automotive Personality Experience. There will be a bunch of YouTubers there. There will be a link in the description, more details. Check it out and also use it. I can't remember what the code is. It's this code. So that's the code. Use that code, get your tickets, come out. I will be there and you guys can also get to meet a bunch of other awesome YouTubers that are cooler than me. So it's gonna be super fun and let's get this vlog going. Right now we're gonna go head over to VMP and go see what those guys are doing. I know they're gonna be doing some fun, exciting things. I just got back from hanging out with Andrew with Mustang Lifestyle. Check out his channel if you guys haven't already. We went over to the junkyard to go get some parts for a buddy of his Mustang, and yeah, I busted my finger up. Now I got a little band-aid on it. And now we're gonna head over to VMP with Les. Ready?
Hell
so
yeah.
We'll see you guys over at VMP. He's about to show me this trade-in shelf. This is probably one of the coolest things. They actually take trade-in blowers. So if you guys have a blower already and you want to upgrade, hit them up. They will take yours for trade-in. So do you guys sell the used trade-in ones as well?
We're working it out.
They're working it out. That's the Gen 1. So if you guys been here on the channel for a while, you probably remember when I had the Gen 1. The little tag. Yeah, we're gonna have to swap that out. I might just send that license plate bracket with the new owner of the Whipple. That's gonna be the new tag bracket. 600 horsepower club right there. We got the new Supercharger right here. It's already got the pulley on it. That'll work.
You got it? Yep.
Bye-bye Whipple. Super excited, I cannot wait.
I'm just so fed up with these expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute. Pixels on a screen, no, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations.
Little modification, cutting, fabrication to the box, and we got her to fit. And we're gonna package her up and send her off to the new first startup.
Sounds like we made with a battery charger.
GT500 is all done, ready to go. She's got the new blower, the Gen 3. We changed the accessory belt, the one that's been squeaking. Everybody's been commenting about that thing squeaking, so we got that fixed. New power steering pump. And we went with a new VMP throttle body. Tomorrow morning, Justin's gonna come in here, tune it, get some dyno pulls for you guys. But as of right now, I'm actually gonna head out and be back over here first thing in the morning and see what this thing does. I am super excited. All right, we're gonna roll out, look at her. Dang, she looks so mean sitting up there.
I'm ready to go.
Okay, Andrew, this place better be good. He recommended it to me. He said a lot of the locals like this place. This is over near New Smyrna, and it's like really gardeny. Pretty cool. That must be where you enter, this way. So we're gonna take a walk inside here, and there's Grandma. Say hi. Huh? You ready? This place looks nice, doesn't it? Look at this. That's cool. Where we're sitting. Dude, that's cool. Look at the old Ford truck. So we're gonna end up moving because apparently, like, there's, I guess, 2 different sections or 2 different or multiple restaurants in here. Like, this is the blue menu. I guess we want to be on the garlic side because they had a certain dish that we wanted to try. I don't know. But this dude over here singing is like really good. Completely different menu. This is the garlic one. That was good, wasn't it? That was so good. We ended up, we got the veal parmesan. Amazing. So good, so good. Oh yeah, we ate breakfast. I don't remember. But anyways, check this place out. It's called The Garlic. Vlog how amazing this place was.
That place is really good.
Damn good.
It's expensive, but it's worth it.
Yeah.
You definitely get your money's worth there.
Right, right. So expensive.
I've eaten at other places for that price and got shitty food. That place is good.
Right.